Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix runtime error on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So firstly, make sure that your computer is up to date. For that you just need to right click on your start menu and go to the settings option. Just right click and go settings. After that you just need to click on Windows update, and now you just need to update your Windows. Make sure that your Windows is up to date. Once it will done, you just need to update your display driver. For that you just need to right click on your start menu, go to device manager over here. Now expand display adapters and right click on your display driver and click on update driver. Now click on search for automatically for drivers and make sure that your internet is connected, and after that it will automatically connect and update your graphics driver. Okay, after that you just need to close this window. Now last thing you just need to do is you just need to download Visual C++ and Visual Studio on your PC. So I will give you this link, Microsoft link, from my on my video description, so you can download from here. You just need to go to this link and you just need to download Visual Studio from here. Also you can download from here. After download you just need to install on your PC and it will fix your problem. So here you will get all types of Visual Studio download link. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.